Philippines, known as Filipino in Tagalog. I wonder what is that? The orange tree, guys. Orange tree! Yeah, the orange tree! Orange tree, yeah, orange tree. So this what looks like in a cup. Oh, it's super orange and bubbly now. Bubble. But the bubbles is popping, guys.
Drink mo na tapos sabi mo kung ano yung lasa.
Guys, it tastes like an orange. It's like orange juice. It's like lemonade, but orange. It tastes like an orange. Super yummy.
Meron.
Hi, guys. Okay, good. And we drink orange juice. Sometimes nighttime, but when it's May 13th, it's my birthday. You get invited if you visit Philippines. But if you live somewhere else next to the Philippines, then get my card next to other country. And I don't know what. Tell me why. I'm gonna go with it. Colors, oh, the color of the drink I'm drinking is orange as well. And when it's Halloween, we are the excess. The third one, what did you need the one with lipstick? The one with the bullet. Oh, how because if you lose, who's behind you? He's about on you. Yes, wrong. Diving with the ranges. Bye, guys.
Hello, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Down here in the bottom left. In the bottom left. In the bottom left right here. Over here. The bottom left. The bottom left is over here. Bye, guys.